Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will talk about the massive update to Windows 11 Search and how it improves speed, clarity, and overall usability. Windows 11 Search just got a massive update, improving the search box with less clutter and more control. This is something users have been waiting for a long time. Everyone has been asking for the search to be faster, more relevant, and easier to use in daily tasks. Microsoft is now rolling out several improvements to the Windows search box, especially for users in the Windows Insider experimental channel. Now let's see how you can enable these features on your system. First, go into the Windows Update panel. Then go into the Windows Insider Program section. Make sure you are enrolled in the experimental channel, otherwise these features will not appear. You will also need to sign in with a Microsoft account because preview features require account verification. Once you have done that, go ahead and fully update your Windows system to the latest build. Another major improvement is cleaner search results. Search now clearly shows where each result is coming from, whether it is an app, setting, file, or web result. This improves clarity and helps you understand results instantly. Now enable all the required search features from the list. After enabling them, restart your PC. Restarting is necessary because these changes will only apply after a system reboot. Once your PC restarts, you will notice that the search interface looks much cleaner. Recent searches are now organized in a better way. You can also see how many days ago you searched for something. This helps you quickly go back to previous searches if needed. Also, promotional content has been reduced or removed from the results. This makes the experience more focused and less distracting. Now when you search anything, the most relevant result appears at the top. Search performance has also improved significantly. It is now faster and more responsive than before. Even if you type something incorrectly, the search can still find the correct result. This means it can handle typos, missing letters, and partial words much better. Local results are now prioritized. So apps, files, and settings will appear before web results. This is very useful because most users are searching for things inside their system. You can also search system tools like this PC or recycle bin more easily now. Another useful feature is quick actions. You can directly run applications as administrator from the search results. This saves time and reduces extra clicks. And according to Microsoft, more improvements are coming in future updates. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.